You've only got a few seconds to stop people from scrolling past your book on Amazon, and most self-publishers fail this test. But don't worry, because in this video, I am going to break down the 7 key factors that actually grab shoppers' attention and make a book cover sell. So keep watching. Hi, welcome back. My name is Gabrielle, and I'm a self-published author, a mom of 2 beautiful kids, and I love sharing tips on how to make money online. In a recent video, I talked about one of the most important factors for a successful book cover. Your cover must fit the style of your genre. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend you do, and you can watch it here, and I'll place a link to it in the description. I have a special gift for you today. The number 1 factor for getting sales on your KDP books is your cover, so you need one that's actually built to get sales. That's why I love 100 Covers. They've designed over 20,000 covers and actually tracked how each one performed in real sales and ads. So you're not just getting a pretty cover, you're getting one that's designed to make people want to buy. And with my code Gabrielle, you get 30% off their already affordable prices. Thank you 100 Covers for sponsoring this video. And I promised I would share the remaining factors for a successful book cover, so here they are. Factor number 1 is the genre style fit. As I covered in my last video, your cover must look like it belongs in its genre. Readers have seen thousands of covers, and they instantly recognize the visual language of their favorite genres without even thinking about it. If your cover looks off, they scroll right past it. So start there. Factor number 2 is thumbnail legibility. On Amazon, your cover appears tiny in search results, roughly the size of your thumb. That small image is what either earns the click or loses it. So here's a practical test I love. Search for your book's main keywords on Amazon, take a screenshot of the results page, and look at where your cover sits among the others. Can you read your title clearly? Does your cover hold its own and stand out at that size? If the answer is no, it needs to be fixed. Factor number 3 is typography. Your title, subtitle, and author name should never compete with each other. There needs to be a clear hierarchy. Your title is the star, your subtitle supports it, and your author name sits below without fighting for attention. These 3 elements should never be the same size, and this is a very common mistake. Also, stick to 1 or 2 fonts maximum, or it will look like a circus. Your title font should communicate the genre instantly, and your subtitle and author name should be in a clean, simple serif or sans serif font that doesn't distract. Typography alone can make a cover look professional or amateur, so don't underestimate it. Factor number 4 is mood through color and contrast. Before a reader reads a single word, the colors on your cover are already sending signals to people's brain about what kind of book this is. A dark, desaturated palette feels like a thriller. Soft pastels feel like a cozy mystery or a lighthearted romance. Bright, bold colors feel like a children's book or an upbeat self-help title. Match the mood and genre of your book through your color choices and use contrast intentionally to make the most important elements pop. Factor number 5 is simple, focused imagery. A book cover is not the place for a detailed scene with multiple characters, lots of objects, or complicated backgrounds. The best covers have one clear focal point, one subject, one background, and a couple of main colors. The image should complement your title, not compete with it. Even covers that have many elements, when done right, never compete with the book title. Simple, emotive images in a clear composition with a focal point create an instant emotional connection with the right reader, and that connection is what drives the click. Factor number 6 is a professional finish. Readers can't always explain why a cover looks cheap, but they feel it immediately, and it stops them from trusting a book. A polished, professional-looking cover signals that the content inside is worth their time and money. That's why sometimes it is best to invest in your cover, as it will break or make the success of your book. So if you're not a designer, and even if you are, it is good to choose somebody to create a professional cover for you. Finally, factor number 7 is designing for the reader, not for yourself. This one is the hardest to accept for most people, especially if you have strong opinions about aesthetics. But your cover is not for you. It is for your ideal reader. And don't get me wrong, you should feel happy with the final design result. But your personal taste cannot be the driving force behind the design style. The goal is to create something that stops your ideal reader mid-scroll, makes them feel something, and makes them click. And there you have it, the 7 key factors that make a book cover actually sell on Amazon. Save this video so you can refer back to it when you are ready to create your next cover. And remember, if you're not a graphic designer, or you are, and your book covers are not getting sales, you can skip the guesswork entirely and get a cover designed by people who have studied what sells across thousands of books in many different niches. I recommend 100 covers. With my code Gabrielle, you get 30% off any of their packages. The link is in the description. And if you want to learn how to do keyword research, craft a strong title and subtitle, and launch your book successfully, all of those videos are in my Amazon KDP Journey playlist. Check them out next. I hope this was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. And I hope it brings you one step closer to earning passive income through Amazon KDP self-publishing so that you can have more time to enjoy your family.